In this video we have a crash. The E-Revo 2.0 drops off a 50-foot ledge. The X-Maxx crashes. Oh, in the bush. Oh, in the bench. Oh, in the bush again. Oh, look at that. Oh, the Revo crashes too. Guys, Jake's in the house. Dad's in the house. He's got his X-Maxx with a Russian body. What we got in here? Hyper VS. So this is a bog standard E-Revo 2.0 with trencher tyres. I've got a soft right button though. One, go. I'm gone, boys. Oh. In case you didn't realise, guys, this is my first ever X-Maxx. Oh, I don't know. Billy is a flat earther. He reckons the Earth's flat.
Not a flat earth. I told you I'm a part-time
guys,
flat earther. Let
him have it in the comments. Come on, you flat earther. Oh, carnage. Oh. Uh-oh, bench. Oh! Indestructible body loves it. Oh, on its head. Flip. That's how you do a backflip. Where's Pat? Pat, where are you, dude? If you're watching, where are you hiding? He's ignoring us all. Pat, why are you ignoring us? Why are you ignoring us, Pat? You're missing out on all the fun. Oh! I'll test the body for you. Do you want recovering, dear? Got some more YouTubing going on here. What's up, dude?
You need to do a durability test on that on your channel.
Durability test? Yeah. Hold on, self-right button, ready? Flip. Oh, on its head again.
If I were you, I would have gone too. If my life was such a mess, I wouldn't be you. But I woke up to yet another morning. Out of the blue, you went and I was left behind. I know you found your peace of mind. Like it
wrench. Oh, in the bush. You get it? Forward flip coming up. This is a stunt machine, man. Ready for another forward flip? Oh, no, maybe not. Oh, in the bush again. Sun's out, countryside's out. So guys, this is my original X-Maxx. Look at it, still looking like brand new. But this thing's been through hell. Not as much hell as my one, that new one though.
No.
Do you reckon you could clear that sand pit going this way? Look, it's got a little lip here. Right, let's go. Oh, easy. Try again from a different shot. Oh, I missed. It's quite hard lining it up when you're not. Oh, oh, broken it.
Ooh, this exploded.
Oh no, this drive shafts popped out. Where? I don't think it's broken, it's just popped out. Look, drive shaft just popped out. Oh, I'm gone, I'm gone. Nailed it, nice. Oh, look at that, oh! Alright, so now we're going to do the valley jump. So if you look down there, that's got to be, I know it doesn't look it on camera, but that's got to be 50-foot drop in it. Easy. Probably more. Do you know what? The battery went flat as it was in the air. I had no throttle left. Guys, the battery went flat while it's in the air and I've got no more batteries. So we'll have to come back and do it another day. Oh, look where it nosedived. Literally, the battery went flat halfway in the air. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon. Bye.